Begoña ikastolak badaraz Europar programa ezberdinetan lan egiten urte asko. Nire kasuan hau, nire 7. urtea izango da, eta oraindik ondo gogoratzen dut zuzendaritza taldeak proiektu honetan parte hartzea aukera emon eustienean. Europar programa nagusi daukaguz bigarren hezkuntzan. Alde batetik Eurocamp izenekoa, hemen herrialde ezberdinetako ikasleak batu egiten gara, urte bakoitzean herrialde diferente baten, adibidez aurten Bienara joango gara. Guretzako proiektu hau oso interesgarria da, batez be, gure ikasleak atzerriagaz lehenengo kontaktu bat eukitzeko. Gero bestaletik, elkarraldaketak daukaguz, elkarraldaketak egiten duguz Txekiar Errepublikako eta Holandako ikasleekaz. Europar programa honek oso aberasgarriak dira gure ikasleentzako. Atzerrira doaz, euren ama hizkuntza ez dana erabili behar dabe, autonomoak izatea baino ez tekie, eta gainera ezagutzen ez daben ikasleekaz lan egin behar dabe. Beraz, helburua ez da bakarrik alderdi linguistiko, kultural edo proiektu espezifiko bat lantzea. Esan genke gure ikasleak ikasitakoa gero euren eguneroko bizitzan aplikatu alda dela.
Well, when I was a student, I had the opportunity to take part in some student exchanges, and the truth is I didn't have doubt. I knew I wanted to be part of that experience from the very beginning. I took part in 3 different student exchanges with schools from 3 different countries, and even it's been a long time, I still have lots of memories from then. The arrival to the country, for example, was a moment full of emotions, with lots of new people, a new place, a new area. I think that it also helped me grow as a person, because when you have to live in a new family, you need to make a huge effort to get on well with them and to integrate, and that makes you mature very fast. Indeed, I think that those experiences were the reason why I decided to study abroad when I was at university, studying my degree. And in a way, those experiences, they open your mind and they open doors to your future.
Kaixo, my name is Vladimir Moshkvan, and I am headmaster of Halabalova School. And as you can see, I'm a teacher and I have prepared something for you. With Begoña Ikastola, which is our excellent partner school, we organize lots of activities. And we are especially proud of Eurocamp, which is a meeting of several countries, and pupils and teachers, of course, can exchange culture, which is the best benefit. And what is, I think, very important for us is that we can exchange teaching and learning practice. This area covers, of course, languages, but also and especially modern and innovative education. Fantastic thing is that we can meet, and we can meet here and also abroad, and we can organize conferences. And of course, we are very proud that we can cooperate with such a nice and brilliant team of educators.
La Ikastola me ha pedido que os traslade la experiencia como padres que hemos tenido con las prácticas internacionales que han hecho nuestros hijos, Leire y John, en este caso, en centros europeos con los cuales hay una colaboración internacional. La experiencia fue muy positiva. Mi hija Leire vino muy reforzada tanto de su conocimiento lingüístico como el haberse sabido comportar y haber estado a la altura de las circunstancias, y eso ha hecho que se enfrentara a futuros retos internacionales con mucha más facilidad. En el caso de mi hijo John, que es el segundo, ha estado en Chequia, y de la misma forma su experiencia ha sido positiva para él y reconfortante para nosotros. Creo que es una línea a seguir por la Ikastola, que ayudará a que todos sus alumnos se refuercen en su papel de desarrollo internacional y sepan desenvolverse en esta globalización que el mundo nos ha traído.
During this time, we have learned a lot from your boys and girls and your staff. We have learned how to bring Europe into our classroom through the use of blogging, and we have talked with your school using video conferencing. We have really enjoyed the experience to date, and we hope to continue working with your school in the future.
Hi to all our friends in Bilbao. Greetings from a lovely sunny Ireland for a change. It was wonderful to have the opportunity to travel to your fabulous school and experience life in Spain. I was really impressed with how you taught English as a second language, how the very young children were taught through song and storytelling, and then the older children through the curricular areas. I was really impressed with how they had learned by the age of 10 so much English that they could actually take their science lessons through English. And I can't wait for the opportunity to meet you all again. Bye.
My name is Patricia Lona Agustin. I am an educator and I work primarily with teachers and administrators in their professional development using some of the ideas of Project Zero from the Harvard Graduate School of Education. My colleague Maria Jimena Barrera and I have been working with the teachers from Begoña Aspi, implementing the principles of teaching for understanding and how to create a culture of thinking in the classroom. This kind of collaboration is important now that we live in an environment of globalization, where, because of technology, it is much easier to interact with teachers around the world. We're now able to share the ideas, pedagogy, and learn from each other's perspectives. I want to thank Ikastola Begoña Aspi for giving us not only the opportunity, but also their openness, which made the experience so rich for all of us. Thank you.